At Carta.app, we handle all your digital menu needs at zero cost. Welcome to Carta. Today, let's create a beautiful new menu together. I'm going to show you how to use our different options to build your menu, add descriptions, handle translations, and even set a fixed price for a menu of the day. First, let's open the establishment you're working on. If you don't see it right away, just log in to Carta, head to your dashboard, and you'll find all your establishments right there. Ready? Let's go. Open the Menu tab, and on the top right, click that Add Menu or Plus button. Now you'll see a new view. For this demo, I'm creating a menu of the day, but feel free to just follow the steps that work for your specific project. By default, it uses your browser's language. But here's the cool part. You can translate it into any language for your customers. For example, I'm adding a Spanish translation right now. Next, let's add a description. In my case, I want to mention this menu has limited availability. And yes, you can translate this text too. Just a quick tip. If you don't translate a specific part, your guests will see the original version, in this case, English. For things like numbers or symbols, there's no need to rewrite them. They stay the same. See the availability toggle? This is how you disable a menu. A disabled menu is hidden from your guests. Only you, the manager, can see it. You can also set a specific order for your menus. Otherwise, the newest ones will just appear at the bottom. Now, if you're creating a set price menu, like a €15 lunch special, follow me and add the price here. If not, don't worry. You can add individual prices for every single dish later. By the way, we even support multiple prices per dish. Perfect if you offer different serving sizes. Let's hit save, and voila! Look at that menu. When I switch to Spanish, everything translates perfectly. Now, let's add some items. I recommend thinking about your structure first. Use sections to separate your starters, mains, and desserts. You can create as many as you need. I'm going with a classic 3-course structure, starting with the first course. Just like before, you can translate these section names and add a description. I'll use the description to let my guests know they should choose one option from this section. Now, let's create our first dish. In Carta, we call these items. Click that Add Item or Plus button, give it a name, and a delicious description. Once you save, you'll see a second page with even more details. First, select the section where it belongs. Then, add an image. You can actually add multiple images if the dish has different looks. Important tip: when adding an image, remember to crop it and hit save before moving to the next step. Finally, feel free to add tags, like allergens or spice levels, and the price. If you want to dive deeper into those features, definitely check out our specific videos on price and tag management. Once you're done with the settings, save the item and enjoy the result. I truly hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. We wish you the very best of luck with your restaurant, and we can't wait to see you in Carta.